back to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. And for my new subscribers and old subscribers, I truly appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And I promise I will continue to bring you more video so that I can earn your subscription. So, my dear friends, as I promised, I'm going to try to do more videos and I'm going to try to make them shorter, but I have to tell you, when you're addicted to Dimash like I am, there's just not enough words in a dictionary to describe him. And there's not enough time to express my feelings because he's just that special. So, if you're going to go along with me on this journey, come on, let's go. Let's get into today's video, which is going to be Hello. Dimash is going to be covering Hello by Lionel Richie. Are you ready? Come on, let's go.
I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love you. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, 过色，甚至将我四十包给那没得同的，非常感谢，非常感谢中国，我爱你，非常感谢，I'm single，마이스터，谢谢。
来，掌声给迪玛希。
Well, my dear friends, all I can say after watching Dimash version of Hello, I'm just gonna say Lionel Richie who? I'm sorry, Lionel Richie. I even forgot that this song was by Lionel Richie as soon as I heard the flute in the beginning of the song. My dear friends, what are we gonna do with our prince? He just, he just changes and switches everything up. I mean, once he put his signature on it, you could just forget it and take it to the bank because that song is never, ever, ever gonna be the same. Never. I didn't even remember Lionel Richie while he was singing that song. It was like, Lionel Richie, who? It's so crazy. And it's a Lionel Richie song. But once Dimash put his signature on that, it's never the same. But our prince, I mean, that song, the emotions and the vulnerability and the passion. Listening to Dimash, he really takes you to another planet. Way and taken to that planet where, I mean, it's just like he really takes you to fantasy land. I mean, that's why I'm not ever giving up my Dimash. I don't care how old I get. It's so funny. My dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. Dear friends, I would love for you to keep communicating to me about Dimash. I appreciate your comments and your support most of all. And everybody, please be safe out there. And thanks again for watching my channel. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.